scary because how much force you actually have to put. It shouldn't. Oh, it got me. I'm using sort of a scissor technique. I'm pushing, I'm pulling at the same time with my nails. It gives it enough force to take it off without having to worry about cracking it. Here's the tricky part, because now we're there. That's what happens without the screws. So, now what we're going to do is put this in a safe place. Remind you that it's there. And now we have the screws that we can take off easily. Okay? The important part is to remember where the screws came off of. This right here is the frame. But if you notice, there's actually screws holding it on. So we don't have to take off the frame. We just take the LCD off of the frame with those. So we're going to switch our screwdriver to a fine point Phillips, and from there we're going to start from the bottom right hand corner. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oops, that's a little finer. We don't want to strip this screw because that would be a problem. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's a tiny screw. And now, see how it comes off? We're going to go ahead and follow it. Nothing on the top, and there's more on the side. So we're going to flip this, and we're going to do the same here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm going to start a new set of pile. We're being careful not to lose anything. Okay, and now the LCD should come right out. And we have to be careful with the cable that we don't break the cable. Now we have the model number. From this we can now order the right exact part for this laptop. Okay? Yeah.